What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing okay during this crazy time and this quarantine, and I hope we're all staying indoors, doing our part, but most of all staying safe, washing those hands, and eating healthy. But anyway, I'm not like your mother, so I'm not going to get into all of that. But I'm actually at a friend's house in Brooklyn, which is why my background is different, if you are wondering. But they have bomb lighting, so good for them. I'm going to try to film here more if that's possible. But anyway, before I keep rambling, today's video is a review on this mini Dior saddle oblique bag. I think I said that completely out of order. I think it's mini Dior oblique saddle bag. Had to look it up because I know I forget. You guys know that my bag reviews are not official. They're not like crazy into the detail. It's more as like a normal girl who loves fashion. I'm giving you my review if I love it, what I hate about it, and if I would rebuy it in the past. But anyway, a lot to say about this bag. I think this bag is super on trend this season. I think it's not as classic as the black or the white leather would have been. The monogrammed was a little bit of a bold statement, but I went for it and I love it personally. I think it's great with like denim jeans, black, gray, whites, creams, whatever. So I love how it has the CD on both sides and the D hanging. It just, to me, looks like a really expensive, high quality bag. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour on this bag. I mean, there's really not much to show. It has a magnetic clasp, which I think that would go into my pile of dislikes because I feel like once things are inside, it's really hard to get this to close, and I'm nervous of like a security reason that if this pops open, anything could fall out at any given moment. So once you open the bag, it's like just a normal pouch on the inside, no extra pouches or zippers or anything, which I kind of wish they did. I wish they had a little zipper pouch here for your credit cards and stuff. On the back, there is a patch as well. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is embarrassing. This is a Cliff Bar wrapper. I couldn't even tell you when that's from. That's just like so me. That's such a me thing, and that's so just not the vibe. Anyway, there's a back pouch as well that apparently can house your snacks. So as you can see, this bag is very small. I'm gonna first go over what I love about it, and then I'm gonna go over what I hate about it. First off, I love the shape. I think the saddle bag is super classic. I remember my mom had these when I was in like 7th grade. I wish she saved them, she did not. I love the gold hardware. Once again, super luxurious, super high quality. And I just love the overall feel of the bag. I feel like it's super on trend, it's super in right now, and it just kind of goes with a lot. That's another thing I love, is that this colorway goes with basically everything I own in my wardrobe. So those are all the pluses. What I have to say about the negatives is, first off, the biggest negative, I hate that it doesn't really fit up here. It's very tight. I almost wish the strap was a little bit longer so I could wear it as a shoulder bag. If you get the mini, it is mainly a handbag. And then what I also hate is that it absolutely could barely fit anything. Hold on, I'll actually grab my wallet and my phone just so I can show you guys. Okay, I'm back. So I got the 3 things that I would always have in my phone, or in my bag, what am I saying? My wallet, which is small, so it's not like I have this huge wallet, okay? It should fit in a bag. A wallet, my AirPods, and my phone. This is even without like lipstick or anything like that. If I want to bring a lipstick in this bag, it's like it's going in my pocket or something. So, okay, wallet in first. Okay, that takes up about 90% of the bag. Then I'm gonna put my phone in, and mind you, this has no case on it, which usually I do have a case on it. But I don't know what happened to that. I think I was like going on a cleaning spree and I cleaned under the case and I just never put it back up. But anyway, so usually it's thicker than this. Okay, phone and wallet. And then there's like this little tiny little pocket here left for AirPods. And that is it, folks. Like if you put a lipstick here, the bag props wouldn't close. So if I could go back in time and see what I mean, now that it's fully closed, it's like almost like hard to get it to stick to the magnet, and I almost feel that it's not fully closed here. See how there's that gap there? So if I could go back in time, little old me, back to the store, I would have gotten the bigger one and spent a few more $100 to get the bigger size, because I rarely wear this out like with friends. I wear it on a lot of dates, I feel like, because I just don't bring as much. And I wear it to shoot a lot, like for my Instagram and stuff, but that's not like real life wear. I feel like if I had the bigger one, I would wear it all the time, and I'd wear it during the day too. But because this is so little, teeny tiny, that it really is only good for photos and if I'm just going to dinner. But if I'm like going to dinner and out and I want like a lipstick, a foundation, a powder. The dog is scratching at the door. Okay, so anyway, those are definitely the things that I hate about this bag, and I really wish I could go back in time and change. So it has nothing to do with like the style of the bag. It has to do with how much it can actually fit, and it's not like I'm trying to fit so much in there. These are like my 3 core essentials that I bring absolutely everywhere, and then I would like to have like a lipstick or a lip gloss. So it kind of sucks that it's that small. So the few friends who have reached out to me and asked if it is worth it, I have specifically said, do not get the mini, especially if you aren't like an Instagram blogger or getting it just for photos. Get the bigger one. You're gonna wear it that much more. This is really cute for photos because it's like so little and like in the micro trend bag, but like for real life, if you want to wear it a lot, get the bigger one. So that's it for my whole spiel. I kind of showed you what fit inside, which is not much. And yeah, once again, I love the style of the bag. I think it looks super high quality. It's just like a stunning, gorgeous bag. It's super on trend, but I just think that it's not as practical. Yeah, that's basically it. Short video. There's no need for me to go into like a crazy rant. Like I said, I'm not like super professional with these bag reviews. Like I know some people are like, the dimensions are this and the clasp is 1 inch low, and I'm just like, what? I'm just like a normal girl and I just want to know if I should buy the bag or not. But I don't know, if you are into those like crazy into detail bag reviews, I'm sorry, I'm probably not the best person for that, but if you're just like a normal girl and you want to know if you should buy this bag, I say spend the extra few hundred and get the bigger one because I think you would wear it a lot more. And also, I think if you are a little bit more of a classic style, rather than like more fashion forward, I would say get the black leather one because that's a little bit more timeless. I just have a lot of black bags and I don't have anything like this, so I wanted something a little bit more fashion forward and out there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there. I know this is such a weird time, and I feel weird creating stuff that has nothing to do with like what's going on in the world, but I kind of use this as my outlet to kind of distract myself from everything going on in the world. But anyway, let me know what video you guys want to see next from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put up a little snippet of my Instagram so you guys can follow along with me there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.